Let me tell you something. Every first step, ey'omuyimbi concert esooka, it means a lot. Buli muntu azze wano olunaku olwaleero ky'okoledde Karole talikyerabira obulamu bwe bwonna. So njagala mukube enduulu esingako. Make some noise, everybody! For an artist to stage a concert, no sibalo, no sibomutima. Karole was afraid to do this, yeah? And I remember we were on a call. Nemugamba Karole, don't be afraid. You can do this.
And we did it.
And you did it. Nagamba spices today. Nemugamba, if you don't go for it now, there is no any other chance. Mwebale mutamo yuwayo. Thank you for not disappointing Karole. You've made it. You've done it. Musoka mwekubireke engalo ez'amaanyi. Fena twatandika wetuti with the one step. Laba gye tuli. So, I want to do city regular for Karole, yeah? Today is your day, and I don't want to take your day away from you, because it means a lot. I'm about to tell you regular. Make some noise one more time. Say, no ma, no ma, no ma, no ma, le, 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 le. Sing, no ma, no ma, no ma, no ma, le, 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 le. Let's sing together, come on. One more time. Come on. I want to hear your beautiful voices. One day, atafuna yewosa kombo twa papa. Naboi kogwao okatie. Muramo kwano la vela bikaya kusala. Abambeta baliwa. Boboli mombeja kola bote mikoni ebiri mu bango. Jagana komacha motonto konechiro diwambala super quality. Tugende ngomanyi tiwame byaffe bikyuka muko yadoli n'abantu walabeyo yadobo wala mukwefaseyo yadoli n'abakuranireyo bagambe bamanye. Let me hear you. Yadoli n'abantu walabeyo yadobo saja mukwefaseyo yadoli n'abakuranira Karole kamba Fefe busamanye. Fefe, this message is for you. Listen. Fefe, bakuyusa yusa bakukoya.
Who told you?
Buba muliba liba ngabaloya.
Who told you?
Ate Fefe, bamufumita amutima bakumenya bakuyusa sedokita sokuha. Lidako buba mufumita omutima bakumenya bakuyusa onodokita azokukwata akusemontego omuwe kingi twagala y'omwana ow'okubiri twagala n'abalongo. Listen, tuva kawempe ewaffe twekulira babulira. Team Karole Kasita, make some noise. Yadari n'abantu balabeyo tolerantula. I want to hear you say one word for me. Do you know? Tolerantula. Karole Kasita.
City regular.
Fefe mugamba chimanye.
City regular.
Fefe ina yo bantu balabeyo. Fefe ina yo bukasi balabeyo. Na uliro ina yo kali kanachito. Ina mugamba chimanye. I love you, Karole, so much, guys. Karole is such a sweetheart, and I love her to bits. If there is any artist I've loved, like for real, I love Karole, because she loves me. And I wish you all the best in life. Jagala, hold on just a minute. There is a new song I came back again, Chris Evans. Before I leave the stage, yeah, I wanna dedicate this message. Okay, tunakaimba mukofena. Eh? Wanage soko je Fefe jangu nawe kwata ku baby nga mujja wano. Abantu babalabe. I was waiting for this moment. Come guys, come over. Fefe kwata ku mwana. Amasogonga gasimera. Ogenda kunkwatira ko kubukya butinya mpola. I know maybe we've not done before, but let's try. Amasogonga gasimera nawo chiraba. Omukwano lubabu nawo chiraba. Fefe omukwano lubabu. Hey, you guys love it so beautiful. How when you know? Amasogonga gasimera nawo chiraba. Omukwano lubabu. I told my doctor. Fefe yabisobola. Ulina nina kokaro sina mala. Hey. Oba kuweka gati. Oba kuweka gati. Tondwe sanze. Njagala Fefe kati. Oba kuweka. Fefe soko che. Karo jangu. Karo, I know you will escort us. Oba kuweka gati, tondwe saze, njagala Fefe kati. Oba kuweka gati, oba kulaba orencha. Nyimbirako, oba kuweka gati, oba kulaba orencha. Katika Rabuza. Thank you so much. Oba kuweka gati, tondwe sanze, jagala mukwano kati. Oyagala mulinze nkoletya. Chogene kati, watama kumana sonye nawe. Ate, olutigone. Echitiko nanywa chanoga. Zetondaba wano eyote bakulise numa Fefe. Kati achitegedde kyogamba muwe hagate wetaye omwana mukwate ku. Ye lwaki oyambala bino ebintu ng'oline Fefe?